Hey everyone, yes, I got myself a new vehicle. So I am gonna park here. It's a sock grandma's car. It's a grandma's car. It's not great of it, but don't worry. As soon as I got enough money, I'll probably gonna modify this car just a little. But I spent all my money on a dealership. A yeah, I spent all my money on this dealership. Honestly. Um yeah, there's only one pickup truck. And all of this, all semis. Yeah. Buses. Yeah. Hmm. Pretty much I'm just gonna sell a lot of these. I mean, a lot. I have to sell these quite quick. Yeah, everyone knows all these vehicles I purchased. It runs and drives. The old dealer person, Bob, says this. All these vehicles you bought, this dealership you bought, it runs in all the vehicles you purchase, including my property. It's a running and driving vehicle. So, yeah, shoot. But don't worry. I am gonna keep. Yeah, I put my flatbed pickup truck here. So, and I heard something about there's gonna be a junkyard somewhere. Um, so that means I could sell. I could bring this and sell it. Sell that pile of crap, or go find or restore it. Find something I could restore. Um, oh, barely fits. Right now, everything is doing. Right now, this truck and that truck is not for sale. So I'm waiting until everyone gets here. So I'll be right back. All right. Guess what? Three customers is right now. Everyone is these three customers is looking for their new business or something. So right now I quite like that. A real yes. One of the people you know if you find this car, it's a multi-millionaire. But wow, this car is pretty good. I don't know what it is, but this is a doggone good truck. And it's a manual, 4-speed. Oh, it's a V8, 4 V8 small block, Ford. And is this a manual? Yes. And I guarantee you this is a V6. Yes, it is. This is a, oh wow, they have a you know you're a millionaire if you go, well, I don't know what that is. It's a V12 Viper with a manual. Wow. So I'll be right back. All right. Everyone choose their vehicles. Good. Their semi trucks. So right now, I made a deal they cannot refuse. I know they want to keep the trucks, their vehicles. I'm not gonna lie, I do want them to stay. I want to purchase them and sell them, but although I have to sell all these semi trucks and all, pretty much I have to sell all of this so I can buy more vehicles. Shoot. Oh wait, hold on. There's more customers coming over here too, so. Okay, everyone is gonna went pretty much insane. I let them like go ahead and grab a vehicle. Grab any vehicle, and some I am but that's bugging me, so yeah, I told them these two cars, this and that, is not for sale, including this car is not for sale. So I'm waiting until everyone gets their stuff, um, so I can go get other more vehicles. So I'll be right back. Okay, guess what? All these vehicles are sold, so I can probably need to park my shop. No. I know, this place is a little cramped, but don't worry. It will be overfilled. I mean, filled to the brim of vehicles, projects, cars, everything. Just don't worry about all of this. I sold a lot of stuff. I mean, stuff you won't even. I sold all my all the semi trucks and stuff except all these vehicles. So I am parking these vehicles for now. And I think I should. Um, I should think about should I keep this car or not? Honestly, I know I'm gonna keep that truck. I don't know if I want to keep that vehicle or not. But don't get me wrong, I like that car, but it does not. It sometimes it works, sometimes it's not. But flatbed, this flatbed pick, this flatbed truck here loves that. I like these two, but I think I'm going. Oh, there's another. I made a dump. I purchased one of my old vehicles back, so I'll be back. Okay, is this? I'm gonna keep this truck. I sold it and I purchased it back. So, and also I just ain't want I ain't want. I just sold it for my friend, and the friend purchased it for $100. He purchased it for $100, so it's a win-win situation. It runs, it drives, it's this and that. So I got all the vehicles I need to work around this place. So I'll be right back. See ya.